Hello and welcome to Nimbus Defence Academy. Myself Ritika Rana, and today we are going to talk about how to write SDT in your SSB. So in the previous video we covered about what exactly is SDT and what is demanded out of you, and in today's video we are going to talk about how to actually write it in order to get that recommendation. So things to keep in mind is, first of all, paragraph will not be short. It has to be 6 to 7 lines, which means 4-5 line में नहीं बनेगा. Okay, one has to be honest and positive. So honesty, positive and confident is actually the trinity which you have to keep in mind before going to the SSB. If you showcase this, then half of the battle is won. Third is different qualities. This also we talked in the last video, that in each paragraph every quality, every weakness will be different. It will not be the same or even similar. No synonyms will be used. It has to be different. Do not write any extreme weaknesses like short temper and procrastination. Please understand the kind of profession that you are aspiring for. It is not a place where short temperament or procrastination is considered to be a human's virtue. So according to the profession, you have to be very mindful about what are the weaknesses that you are writing, if it has any effect or not. You have to use some weaknesses which are mediocre and also which is something that is you can work upon. It's not an extreme weakness, right? Write explanation how you are improving those qualities. Write examples of the strengths you are writing. For example, my teachers perceive me as an all-rounder as they've seen me in participating in games, sports, debates, simultaneously doing well in my studies. So basically, your psych officer will have one copy of your PIQ where you have already written the kind of participation you have done in your schools and colleges in sports, extracurricular, and what are your percentages. So he can verify from it that if you are telling the truth or you are telling the lie. So every STT has to be personalized. It should not be copied by someone else's STT, and it has to be original and honest. And this is the way you will give the example. Whatever quality you are writing, even if you are writing responsible, if you are writing creative, if you are writing trustworthy, etc., there you will have to always give an example. That where was the circumstance, what was the instance where you have shown that quality? Why do that person, be it your friend, teacher or parents, why do they believe that you are trustworthy? Because you keep their secrets a secret, or what is it? So that is something which has to be very personalized. Do not quote OLQs, do not copy from other person, and it has to be personalized. This is something which I've already explained, that first of all, do not quote your OLQ, be it in strength and weaknesses in interview, be it your TAT, WAT, etc. You don't have to quote that I am a person with sense of responsibility. Instead, show by your action that you are responsible. So do not quote the OLQs. So this is it from my side today. If you have any doubt in any of the test of psych test or STT particularly, comment down in the comment section below. And this is it for SDT. I hope you keep on drafting, redrafting, and later on achieve a perfect SDT, which is very creative. That's how, keep on grinding. That's how you will achieve your recommendation. So this is it from my side. Thank you and Jai.